Hi, my name is Ilana. I'm the founder of INC Capital, where we advise our clients on their citizenship and residency by investment solutions. I've done some videos on Italy, and I get more and more questions on how the actual process works, right? So this is important when you start planning your year ahead and you want to figure out how to put this all together. So one of the unique features of the Italian investor visa compared to all the other programs we work with in Europe is that you can make the application, receive your visa before you actually have to commit the capital. So of course we need to know that the capital is available, and that is part of the initial step, but you don't have to commit the capital and make the investment until you have that security of having the visa approved and safely stamped in your passport. So how does this work? When we start the first consultation, we talk about where your capital currently is, how liquid it is, how we need to prove that you have it available to make the investment. We help you put together an initial application pack, and we then make your application for what is called a Nulla Osta in Italy on your behalf. Once we have that Nulla Osta, that normally takes about a month or so to obtain. The government has a month to approve it. Once we have that document, we help you put together your application pack that goes to your local consulate or embassy in the country where you live. You will then take that application pack to the embassy, and they will typically within 7 to 10 working days approve your visa and stamp it in your passport. Once you have that first 2-year visa stamped in your passport, you can then visit Italy. We will arrange for you a visit at a local police station so you can do your biometrics. And within 90 days of entering Italy, you then have to execute the full investment. So if you're investing 250,000, that has to go into the innovative startup company. If it's €500,000, it has to go into the portfolio of shares that we've structured for you. So that is the way the initial process works. What happens then is that you will receive a 3-year residency card, and that residency can be renewed every 3 years without you having to spend any time in Italy. However, keep in mind that if you ultimately want to earn permanent residency rights or PR, you do actually have to spend at least half the year in Italy in order to qualify for PR, and another 5 years if you want to become eligible for citizenship. So the process is quite simple. There's a lot of work to be done initially to get the Nulla Osta and to get that first appointment at the embassy, but thereafter we facilitate the whole process for you in Italy. So visa and approval first, investment follows later. That gives people peace of mind. So if you'd like to have a direct conversation with me about how this works, drop a comment, send me a message, and I will get in touch with you to walk you through the process myself. Thank you very much.